Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Epic Games email without verification. So at first come to Epic Games on Google and just uncheck this one and just click on help here like so. Now this is going to take some time and load a new page. Once it's done, scroll down until you see accounts and then click on contact us at the bottom. Now here you have to say whatever platform you're on and then say, hey, I lost access to my current account email. I would love to change my email. And then here just write in whatever email you have right now and then they'll get back to you. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.